君のこれぬるのに愛の愛のすべてが君のいる世界で笑ったこと君の見る未来の笑ったこと君のこれぬるのに愛の愛のすべてが君のいる世界で笑ったこと君の見る未来
Girl, how I love you, I can't love myself. Stay awake, I wish on someone else. Girl, how I love you, I can't love myself. Stay awake, I wish on someone else.
Once upon a time, I didn't love myself. Coming to mind, how could I love someone else? Gotta get to what's mine to coincide the essence. Otherwise this time, but no presence. I'm the king and I know it to the depth of myself. Spend everything to find women, fine when it comes to the shelves. I caught a cold so glorified, it actually sells. Like it's hot with women with a lack of mental health. Nah, to speak about a broken heart, but that's a heart into my parts are so far apart they can't renew. If I argue with you or even bother to tell you the truth, it's cause some part of me actually guarded you. That's how you protect it, I go farther for you. Smart with my selection of people apart from a few. Sometimes the only reference to pull is the fact you do what feels right at the time it happens, and that's that.
Girl, how I love you, I can't love myself. Stay awake, I wish on someone else. Girl, how I love you, I can't love myself. Stay awake, I wish on someone else. Girl, how I love you, I can't.
Close your eyes at night, make up with your concepts here. Wake up with a clear sight, when your conscience clear. They say the devil's in the details, but tell me where. The only monster says the one we see in the mirror. Cast a spell for hell to disappear. Can't believe I fell for believing hell was anywhere else but here. Stairway to heaven, but I can find the stairs. So many different levels, different energy fields. I can walk into a room and tell exactly who's there. Can feel the mood, who to be near, and what to beware. For real, cause I'm aware, and that's the difference between me and you. I'm true to my feels. They say you gotta keep it real, son and hood. But what's the meaning if you're not really sincere? If you're faker than your crocodile tears, so the smile that you wear, then we know it's because you wanna sound good. But don't let me be the one to stop this charade. A bunch of dumb motherfuckers on this walking parade. Because I'm numb to most of you and all that you say. I'm the truth, so you don't get past the small talk or hey. I've had people believe in me who barely heard about me, and the people I see as family be the first to doubt me. And you wonder why the fuck I got my head held high, chest out. Cause if you don't vouch for me, know I'll do it proudly.
Girl, how I love you, I can't love myself. Stay awake, I wish on someone else. Girl, how I love you, I can't love myself. Stay awake, I wish on someone else. Girl, how I love you, I can't.
You made me lose faith and use hate. You gave me new ways when it was too late. You have me constantly caught between two different roads where one is thoughtfully planned out, the other one is possibly headed towards a place where probably every decision made gave us stunningly horrible repercussions. I solemnly swear to never repeat the same mistake. I learned my lesson, time to take my fate into my own hands. Understand, none of this commotion alternated my stance. Kept on telling myself and those around, I got this figured out, I got profound ideas and dreams. My favorite seems to force me to a stalemate by any means. You're the reason I became traumatized, to the point I sat almost paralyzed, feeling terrified to even go outside. All this time I thought that I tried to.